Hi, my name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language model in a very simple language. So we learned about LLMs in the previous videos, and today in this topic we'll discuss what are the computational power required for LLMs. So we know that LLMs are transformers trained on huge data, but as we increase the data, the computational power we require to train those models also increases. Let's get an idea how much computational power we require. So if we so chat gpt is trained on 175 billion parameters, right? So the approximate GPU RAM needed to train 1 billion parameter is around 80 GB. So the memory needed to store the model is around 4 GB, but the memory needed to train the model is 80 GB for 1 billion parameters. This seems okay, right? But now let's see if we need to train this model with 175 parameters, what would be the computational power required? So for 175 billion parameter model, we'll need 14,000 GB of RAM, and GPT-4 is trained on 110 trillion parameters, and you can see for 500 billion parameters we need 40,000 GB. And for if we want to train GPT-4, which is the latest model of OpenAI, you need 22 times more than this. So now you can imagine the amount of computational power we require to train LLMs like ChatGPT.